Okay, so now you notice there's an in and out button down here. Now that I've turned it on the dashboard, it's here for you. So you have two options at this point to clock in or to scan into a job site or to a work order. So let's start with the job site. Let's say you end up on someone's job site. All you have to do is click the QR code button right there. And now you have a QR code presented. All you have to do is scan that to the job site scanner, the ProTracker scanner. So let's back out of that. Now let's hit the in and out button. So when I click that, there's my clock in button. If I click that clock in button right now, it's going to show every job and work order at your branch, which is a lot, but that's okay, not to fret, because this provides a string search, which is a very powerful tool. All you have to do is key in part of either the work order or job name or work order or job number. So I'm just going to type in C, and you see the list is already narrowing down. IR. So there's my Circle K jobs and work orders. Okay. Let's say I want to get down even further. I'm going to key in, I'm back out of this, 1018, and there it is. So I quickly found that work order. This is actually a job number. So I'll click that, and it's going to ask you for your location. You're going to need to say yes on this one. So it'll just track where you are when you scanned in or scanned out. So I'm going to say allow. It says that I'm clocking in. Okay, no problem. And there's my clock in record. Okay. Now, there is no clock out. Here's what you do. If you want to clock out of this job and into, let's say, lunch, you just clock into lunch. And all it does is clock you out of that job. And then you can clock back in either to the same job or maybe a different one. So I'm going to find a work order. Okay, so there's the work order. I'll clock into that one. And then it clocks me out of the previous one. At the end of the day, what I would do, and this is important because this will clock you out at the end of the day, and then you'll have your total hours. So you would clock in to the end of day. You notice it says that these two are out. So instead of having to clock in, then clock out, clock in, then clock out, it's just we're removing some of those keystrokes. So you just clock into this one, end of day, and then you're done for the day. And so there's all the records that you created for today. Now I can also go back here and I can see my timesheet. So this is what I've done for today, okay?